Hello, my name's Dori O'Neill, and I am an original MAP backer. What's a MAP backer? Well, I invested in Master Affiliate Profits before there was a line of code written. I listened to what my friend John Thornhill told me MAP was going to be about. He introduced me to Omar Martin, and together that dynamic duo has delivered an amazing platform. It does everything they claim it does and more. This video is being created for people looking at Master Affiliate Profits for the first time, and I'm going to present to you why you should consider joining my Master Affiliate Profits team. And this video is also being created for existing Master Affiliate Profits members that didn't join my team, that are part of another member's team. Now, don't worry, I'm not asking you to re-sign up in MAP. And for the new members, I'm about to share with you something that will empower you to double dip income. The Master Affiliate Profits platform is absolutely amazing. The first major benefit that Master Affiliate Profits offers anyone is frictionless enrollment. That means that you can enroll into MAP and gain access to $600 worth of training and all of the benefits of the actual MAP platform, like lead generation, for absolutely no cost. So that's called frictionless enrollment. The second benefit that Master Affiliate Profits offers to everyone, which is an absolute game changer and is the #1 failure point for all affiliate marketers, once a lead that you direct into the Master Affiliate Profits platform joins, the MAP team, led by John Thornhill and Omar Martin, two of the most experienced and best online marketers in the world, all the follow-up marketing. And follow-up is where people fail. So if you join MAP, know that for 90 days, John and Omar and their team will be writing all the follow-up email sequences. That's powerful. That's exciting. But what you won't learn inside of MAP, which no one will be able to teach you, and probably I am the only one that can claim to have 50 years of experience doing what I'm about to share with you, is I will give you a turnkey double dip income system. What does that mean for you? That means when you put in a lead into the Master Affiliate Profits platform, that lead will have all the marketing done for you to encourage them to become a platinum member with the MAP platform. But in addition to that, there's a little talked about built-in feature that activates the built-in autoresponder that you own that is often left unused. I'm going to share with you a concept called Shoppy Shop. And what Shoppy Shop is it's a groundbreaking, revolutionary new shop savings application membership site that you can direct your MAP members to and earn incredible amounts of money, while at the same time helping everyday ordinary people save money on everyday purchases. Products like Amazon purchases, travel purchases, Teledoc, cosmetic lines, nutritional lines, all at ridiculously high levels of savings. And it also includes a state-of-the-art savers app, which you can go to Walmart, you can go to Paramount, you can go to baseball games and football games and hockey games and earn tremendous amounts of cash back. And while you're doing that and sharing that, you're earning double dip income. You're earning income from Master Affiliate Profits, and the hard work of follow-up is done for you by John and Omar, and you can double dip by sharing savings with everyone else. It's exciting, it's fun, it's glorious. And so all you have to do is to enroll with MAP. And then there's this page. It's shoppy shopsysuccess.com. That's my page for Shoppy Shop. Shoppy Shop is an incredibly affordable opportunity for you to double dip income. And when you join, not only will you get this amazing double dip income, you'll be saving income because the discounts that you'll enjoy on everyday purchases will exceed the monthly membership cost, which is only $9.95 a month. So I encourage you to go to shopsysuccess.com, check it out, join my team. There's 22,000 Master Affiliate Profits members that aren't taking advantage of the double dip income that the platform has built in. Now's your chance to do it. If you're new and you're considering joining MAP for the first time, join my MAP team by going to yesenroll.com/MAP. That will take you to my Master Affiliate Profits link. I'm MAP1. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the success side of double dip income with Master Affiliate Profits and Shoppy Shop. Goodbye.